Cloak, Sir Thomas. I and my bosom must debate a while, and then I would no other company.
The Lord in heaven bless thee, noble Harry.
God have mercy, old heart.
Kivara!
A friend.
Discuss unto me. Art thou officer? Or art thou base, common, and popular?
I'm a gentleman of a company.
Trailst thou the puissant pike?
Even so, what are you?
As good a gentleman as the emperor.
Then you are better than the king.
Ah, the king's a bawcock and a heart of gold, a lad of life, an imp of fame, of parents good, of fist most valiant. I kiss his dirty shoe, and from heart's string I love the lovely bully. What is thy name?
Henry Leroy.
Leroy. A Cornish name. Art thou of Cornish crew?
No, I'm a Welshman.
Knowst thou Llewellyn?
Yes.
Art thou his friend?
Aye, and his kinsman too.
Or tell him I'll knock his leek about his head upon St. David's Day.
Do not you wear your dagger in your cap that day, lest he knock that about yours.
A figo for thee then.
I thank you. God be with you.
My name is Pistol Call.
It sorts well with your fierceness.